Struggling to gain weight no matter how much you eat? You're not alone. For some, packing on pounds is just as tough as losing them, even with hard gym work and endless meals. But here's the secret. It's not about eating more, it's about drinking smarter. Today, I'm sharing my top 5 homemade weight gain shakes. Calorie-dense, protein-packed, and made with real food. These shakes are easy to make, taste incredible, and will help you build quality muscle without feeling bloated. Grab your blender. Let's bulk up the right way. First up, the Power Peanut Shake, a classic calorie-packed blend for serious gains. Start with whole milk, add 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, a banana, half a cup of rolled oats, and a scoop of protein powder. Peanut butter brings healthy fats and calories, oats provide lasting energy, and the banana adds potassium and carbs. Blend until smooth and creamy, add ice for thickness. This shake is quick, filling, and perfect for busy mornings or post-workout fuel. Drink it consistently and watch your gains take off. Simple, effective, and delicious. Chocolate lovers, this one's for you. The Mass Builder Chocolate Smoothie. Use whole milk, Greek yogurt, unsweetened cocoa powder, 3 medjool dates, chia seeds, and chocolate protein powder. Cocoa gives rich flavor and antioxidants, dates add natural sweetness and fiber, and Greek yogurt delivers slow-digesting protein. This combo keeps you in muscle-building mode for hours. Blend it all for a thick, decadent shake that tastes like dessert but fuels your bulk. Satisfy cravings and build mass, guilt-free. Smart nutrition, serious results. Need a flavor change? Try the Tropical Gainer, refreshing and calorie-dense. Blend full-fat coconut milk, frozen mango and pineapple, a banana, ground flaxseed, and vanilla protein powder. Coconut milk brings healthy fats and energy, tropical fruits add vitamins and enzymes, and flaxseed delivers fiber and omega-3s. The result, a thick sorbet-like shake that's perfect for hot days or when you want something light but powerful. Hit your calorie goals with vibrant, exciting flavors. Keep your diet interesting and your gains on track. Bulking never tasted so good. Next, the Oats and Almond Bulk Shake, the ultimate breakfast or pre-workout fuel. Combine whole milk, rolled oats, almond butter, honey or maple syrup, cinnamon, and protein powder. Oats give steady energy, almond butter packs in calories and healthy fats, and cinnamon helps regulate blood sugar. This shake is thick, hearty, and loaded with nutrients, perfect for hard gainers who struggle with food volume. 1 glass delivers the nutrition of a full meal, making bulking easier than ever. Blend until smooth and enjoy sustained energy all day. Fuel up and grow strong. Finally, the Night-Time Gainer Smoothie, your secret weapon for overnight muscle growth. Blend low-fat cottage cheese, tart cherry juice, almonds, half a banana, and vanilla casein protein powder. Cottage cheese and casein protein release amino acids slowly, feeding your muscles as you sleep. Tart cherry juice boosts melatonin for better rest, while almonds add healthy fats and magnesium. Drink this 30-60 minutes before bed to maximize recovery and prevent muscle breakdown. Turn your sleep into prime muscle-building time. Work smart, even while you rest. There you have it, 5 powerful, all-natural weight gain shakes to help you build real muscle. Add 1 or 2 to your daily routine and watch your body transform. Remember, it's about quality mass, not just the number on the scale. Skip the junk food, fuel up with real food for real results. If you found this helpful, hit like, comment your favorite shake, and subscribe for more science-backed fitness tips. Join our community and start your journey to a stronger you. Now, go get to work.